Hey everyone! Today, I'm excited to share how you can start earning money with ChatGPT. Yep, you heard that right. We'll go over quick, easy steps to turn ChatGPT into a money-making tool. If you've ever wanted to use AI to boost your income, this video is for you. So, what can ChatGPT help you do? It turns out, a lot. From writing emails to creating product descriptions, ChatGPT is like a helpful sidekick for many online jobs. Let's break down some popular ways to get started. First up is affiliate marketing optimization. If you love reviewing products, this one's for you. Here's how it works. Find trending products with good affiliate commissions. Use ChatGPT to write detailed product reviews. Add catchy calls to action, like buy now buttons. Share these reviews on social media or your blog. And finally, promote them through email newsletters. Next is AI-powered video script writing. If you're into video creation, ChatGPT can make it easier. Here's how. Pick your video's theme, like tutorials or reviews. Let ChatGPT draft your script. Add any personal touches to make it more engaging. Then publish your video on YouTube or social media. You can monetize these videos through ads and partnerships. Another great way is creating email sequences for product launches. Here's a quick guide. List your product's features. Use ChatGPT to write emails that highlight those features. Customize for different audiences. Automate using tools like ActiveCampaign. Track your results and make changes as needed. Have a podcast. ChatGPT can help with transcriptions and show notes. Here's the process. Record and transcribe your podcast with tools like otter.ai. Use ChatGPT to summarize key points. Post show notes on your website to attract more traffic. And if you want, you can even post these notes on platforms like Medium to reach more listeners. Are you good with resumes? ChatGPT can make this even easier. Collect the job details. Use ChatGPT to draft the resume and cover letter. Refine based on user feedback. Offer resume services on LinkedIn or freelancing sites. Next is content creation for businesses. Here's how it works. Choose a niche, like tech or health. Use ChatGPT to write engaging articles and blog posts. Add keywords for SEO. Offer revisions based on client feedback. And don't forget to package your services with social media options. Then there's lead generation. You can use ChatGPT to create lead magnets, like ebooks or checklists. Once you have it, design it with tools like MailChimp. Collect emails with a sign-up form. Send follow-up emails to turn leads into customers. And finally, there's social media. ChatGPT can help you plan campaigns, write posts, and create eye-catching captions. Plus, you can use it with scheduling tools like Hootsuite to keep posts going automatically. Alright, there you have it. These are just a few ways to start earning with ChatGPT. Remember, it's all about experimenting and finding what works best for you. So, give these a shot and let me know in the comments which one you're excited to try. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more tips on using AI in your day-to-day life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.